Come with me while I show you how I made a pen out of a piece of a Jack Daniels barrel. I really love the way it turned out, so if you want to see it, make sure you stick around till the end. I started by measuring and cutting the blank in half for the two parts of the pen. Once I got it cut in half, I headed over to the lathe and got everything set up to drill out the centers of these blanks. Once the centers were drilled out, it was time to epoxy the pen tubes in place. Once the epoxy was hardened, I grabbed my drill and barrel trimmers and trimmed up the pen blanks so that everything was flush with those brass pen tubes that I epoxied in place. Once I had the pen tubes or the pen blanks all trimmed up, it was time to head back over to the lathe and get it all set up to start turning this one down. Like I said before, I really love the way this one came out, but you guys will have to let me know what you think down in the comments below. I went with my carbide turning tools to turn this one down. I'm still trying to learn the traditional turning tools, and once I kind of got a shape that I liked, I did decide to clean this one up with my skew just because I'm trying to learn and get a little bit better at my wood turning. Once I had a shape that I really liked, I started to think about what I was going to do to finish this one up. I went ahead and decided on shellac and Brad's sanding paste and tongue honey. This has always been a really good combination for me, and I really love the way the shellac makes the wood pop, especially with this oak of the whiskey barrel. You guys will have to let me know what you think of the shape on this one. I think it looks really nice. I do have a few of these whiskey barrel pens that I've made. There's this one as well as another Jack Daniels one up on my website for sale. There's also a Jim Beam one if Jack Daniels isn't quite your thing. If you guys want to see me make any more of these, let me know down in the comments. I have seen a few other options for whiskey barrel blanks that look pretty interesting to turn down. So that might be something that we have to do in the future. If you want to pick one of these up, you can always check out our website, crafty-couple-creations.com. We've got a whole bunch of different pens there, and I'm always adding more stuff. You can also sign up for our newsletter there if you want to be notified when I get new things added. Like I said before, I really love the way this one turned out, but let me know down in the comments what you think. I think the pin cut kit looks absolutely gorgeous on this one against the oak. And I really love that this one comes with a letter of authenticity so that you know it is actually from a Jack Daniels whiskey barrel. If you guys want to support the shop, head over to my website and take a look at all the different things that we offer over there. Thanks again for checking it out, and let me know what you think down in the comments below.